Hi guys, I hope you do well. Today's video is gonna be about the perfume I just recently got, and it's an amazing perfume as well. In case you like them, you can go and get yours as well because they really smelling amazing. I haven't opened it yet, but I know about it. So I'm gonna open it now. Then you're gonna see how they're gonna look. In case you like them, try them because you're gonna smell nice when you spray yourself. And it's for unisex as well. It's for lady, man, gentleman, coolest guy like you, like me. We're all gonna smell nice, amazing as well. So my coolest, let's see how they're gonna look. Let's go. Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Today's video is gonna be about recently perfume I just got, and it's amazing perfume as well. I haven't opened it yet. I want to open it with you guys because it's amazing perfume as well. And the perfume is very cool and it's gonna smell nice on you, on me. And if you like them, go and get them as well. It's gonna look really cool, really stylish as well. And the perfume as well is unisex as well for ladies, for gentlemen like you, like me. And if you whisper it, it's gonna be looking really cool and you're gonna smell nice, amazing. Plus the way the outfit look on you together. And if you put this perfume on, people is gonna be like, what kind of perfume you spraying on yourself? Like smelling so cool, so nice like that. So my coolest, let's open it together because I can't wait to open it. Let's go because it's amazing as well. So calm down, be patient with me. So let's go. Gentle, be very quiet and keep cool. Put the scissors there and move it away. It's there. So let's see. It's gonna be really cool. Oh, I'm quite excited as well. Oh, gentle, patient, patient. Good guys, it's coming. Okay, guys, you guys can see coming out from the box. Look at that, amazing. Look at that. I say, very cool perfume as well. Look, in case you're looking for any perfume, this is amazing. Very stylish as well. Cool as well. White House Self Cinnamon. Very cool. Amazing. I like it as well. Very cool. Different vibe as well. I'm quite smelling it already. Kind of looking really cool. Really stylish as well. Very cool as vibe as well. In case you're looking for any perfume as well, you can go and get yours. This perfume is really cool. They're all gonna smell nice on you because I know about them already. So you just try them, see how they look on you, how they smell nice, and if you like them, get them, and you won't regret it as well because it's a very coolest perfume as well. I like it. Honestly, this is really cool. I'm quite impressed the way he look, the smell as well. I'm thinking to open it, yes or no. Ah, I need to. I need to. I'm quite exciting as well because this is really cool. So let's go, my people, and I'm sure you're gonna like it. Look, it's coming out from the seal. Look, very cool, nice, gentle. Look, very cool. Look, amazing, amazing. I'm quite excited as well. Look, coming out. Be patient, be patient, be patient. It's coming out. It's coming out. Look, it's coming out. You're gonna see. Look, YSL. You see, guys? Amazing. Oh, look. This is it. Hmm. Hmm. Oh. Hmm. Oh. Hmm. Oh, God. Oh, looking, smell nice, smelling cool. Let me spray myself. Hmm. You too, you need to spray yourself too. Smell nice, honestly. Oh, I'm feeling the vibe as well. Look, this is really cool. Oh, God, you don't even need more. You just need a little bit. That's it. Amazing. Just dab it there. I'm quite excited. I don't want to drop the ball. Oh, mm. Oh, God. Look, guys, I'm smelling cool. I'm smelling rich. Look, go and get yours as well. Honestly, you won't regret it. Look, this is really cool. Can you see it, guys? It's very nice as well. I'm feeling myself as well. Very cool. It's amazing as well. the glass, the bottle, the lid, the box, everything just cool. And it's amazing as well. I'm looking at it like, why this looks so cool? Amazing. Honestly, look, the cinema YSL, they do the right job. Honestly, they're not making me mad at all. Like, at all, like, and I'm quite impressed. You two, you're gonna be really, really impressed if you get this perfume as well. You're gonna smell nice, and people will be asking you like, what kind of perfume you using? Trust me, when you go out on a day dinner brunch, this is amazing for you guys. And I won't let you guys down because I want you to get that compliment you deserve. When you start your vest with your trousers, your trainings, and you pull this on, adjust your hair, cut your hair, braid your hair, put your bracelet, your wristwatch, put them on, your necklace, put them on, and you spray this to yourself and you step out. Honestly, you're gonna be really, really looking really cool and amazing as well. This is amazing. People will check on you. Look, ladies and YSL, look, very nice. Honestly, ooh, looking like wow, this is amazing, and I like it. The perfume is just giving the joy, the vibe as well. The cinema YSL, just amazing as well. Smell nice. I'm just smelling myself. I'm feeling the vibe. I'm feeling the coolest look as well. Look, guys, you need to go and get yours. If you can't see it properly, you can see it now. Can you? Let me move it a little bit backward. I'm close to you guys. You can see how cooler it is. Look, cinema is amazing. You won't regret these when you get them because it smells nice or very nice, very fresh vibe as well. Look, this is really cool. Honestly, I'm in a mail as well. Let me check. I think 90 mil. You won't regret it. Trust me. Look, the box is there. Very cool perfume as well. I'm smelling myself already. I'm feeling joy. I'm feeling cool. The vibe is amazing. In case you want to go anywhere occasion, this perfume is really cool, and you'll be very happy, and people will know you smell nice, and they will ask you what kind of perfume you're using. If you feel like kind of to tell them, you can just tell them as well because I'm telling you now because I'm feeling like I need to let you guys win because when you win, I'm winning as well because it's amazing perfume as well. It's a unisex. Don't worry about like it's a ladies perfume. No, it's not. It's for men and for women. You can smell this and you're gonna looking really masculine and cool. Honestly, the perfume is amazing. I'm keeping smelling myself like kind of why this perfume is so looks like why so smells so cool and amazing as well. I want you to win, people, because if you get this YSS cinema, you can go on a date, dinner, brunch, any event, and people will smell you from far, and people will be happy to talk to you normally. Because why? Because the way the perfume smell on you, people are very happy for you. They're already feeling the vibe, and they want to talk to you. Trust me, and they will give you compliment. Trust me, and they will smile. If they're not bold enough, they will stand at you. That's another way they give you the compliment because they can smell you, they can feel the vibe or the way they smell the perfume look on you. And if you have your short, start your short and your vest upon and put your shorts on and put your socks and your trainers on, then you put this on with your sunglasses, you're gonna be amazing. Honestly, this amazing perfume like ever you can get anywhere you want to go. You need to go with this perfume. Honestly, it's amazing spray as well. I'm keeping smelling myself. Just only one spray, I spray myself. I'm still feeling the smell. It's smelling fresh, luxury, stylish, cool, and amazing, sweet, loving, caring. This is giving you all those vibes, and I'm happy to share it with you guys because this is really cool. Look, amazing. Honestly, it's cool. Look, it's really cool. Oh, the gold one, amazing. I'm feeling like, did I regret getting this perfume? No, I'm not regretting it. And you too, you won't regret it. Trust me. And people will keep it asking you any day, anytime you step out, they will ask you what kind of perfume you smell. Trust me, they will ask you, and you can be able to tell them that this is it. This is why Health Cinema is the one that did the job. The lady, they will give you the compliment. The gentleman, they will give you the compliment. Anywhere you want to go, you will get the compliment that you deserve, because this perfume is an amazing one as well. Honestly, I'm feeling myself. I'm quite cool. And you can put in your belonging. Anywhere you're going, just put them on. Now, I'm going to put them inside my tote bag. Like, anywhere I'm going, it go with me. Then when I'm feeling like, I need to spray myself, I bring them out. Inside my bag, my tote bag, then I spray myself. Look, you just need a little bit. That's it. You're cool. You put it back. That's it. You're looking stylish. You're looking fresh. This summer, you want to looking really cool and amazing as well. Plus, the way you smell, the perfume smelling nice, and your outfit, everything just look cool together in a stylish way. I quite like the way the vibe look amazing as well. Let me zip home. Let's see if it look in that way as well. Yeah, it look cool. Anyway, anyhow, I start this outfit plus the way I'm smelling. Because of this perfume, I'm looking awesome as well. I'm not lying, guys. This is really cool. I'm happy I got this. And you too, you're gonna be happy if you got this YSL. Anywhere you can get them, go and find them. You won't regret it. It's amazing as well. And it's many as well. 90 ml. That's very cool. I like it. Honestly, I'm feeling kind of vibing right now. I'm feeling chill. I'm feeling easy. Honestly, this is really cool. I'm not regretting at all. Honestly, and you too, you won't. So I'm showing you guys. I hope you can see it, because I want you guys to get this. Because if you get it, you're gonna come back and comment like how amazing you became. Like kind of compliment every day you step out, because this is smelling amazing and cool. Honestly, I'm happy. Honestly, I'm not lying, guys. This is really cool. I'm feeling the vibe. And the box as well. Look, guys. Look, it's there. You can see the name there. Just go and get them. Any meal you can afford, just get them. If you can't afford the 90 meal, get the get the one you can afford. They still smell the same, and you will get that compliment that you deserve. Trust me, people. Honestly, this cinnamon is amazing perfume as well. Don't forget to go and get yours as well. I just get mine, and you need to get yours. And if you get yours, put yourself on in a good vibe as well, because this perfume is amazing. And if the people smell it, they're gonna give you compliment. Trust me, because I'm already smelling myself. Amazing perfume as well. Honestly, you won't regret this, because I'm quite happy the way it smells me. And what about you? If you get them as well, it's amazing. I'm quite impressed the way it look, the way it smell on me. It smell cool, smell with fresh vibe as well. You can go and get yours as well. You won't regret it. And if you go on a date dinner, you need to spray yourself with this perfume as well. And you can go anywhere on holiday trips. You need to put them inside your belonging, because this is amazing. Wherever you go, you need to go with this perfume as well, because they're very nice YSL perfume as well. They're once in a lifetime. You can't regret this. Honestly, very cool and amazing as well. I'm smelling myself. I'm like kind of smelling myself too much. I'm smelling too cool, too nice now, and that's how you're gonna be smelling as well. And tomorrow, I'm still gonna be smelling amazing as well. If I shower, have a bath, I'm still gonna be smelling amazing as well. You too, you need to go and get this. You won't regret it as well. I'm quite cool. Let me put my sunglasses on to feel a bit more kind of vibe as well, because this vibe I am right now, I'm feeling the vibe as well. Very cool, different coolest vibe I am with this perfume. Is giving that kind of coolest look with my outfits as well. Your short, your red and gold sneakers as well, amazing as well, with the shorts and vest top as well. Everything just cool. Don't forget to put your bracelet, your ring, your wristwatch, your necklace, and your sunglasses as well, to keep everything cool together. And when you spray yourself with this after you put everything on, people will know you're cool. Trust me, I'm not joking. If I step out like this, people will give me compliment, because they can see how amazing this outfit look on me and how cool is vibe this smell of me. They will give you a compliment, and I want you to win. Honestly, I don't know anywhere you want to go on this planet. If you spray yourself with this YSL, people want to talk to you. They want to kind of having a nice, coolest conversation with you, or any conversation that they think of, they want to have it with you because of this perfume. Honestly, this YSL, you need to go and get it. You won't regret it. I'm feeling the vibe. Honestly, I'm not lying. I want you guys to win, because when you win, it's my happiness as well. Your happiness is my joy as well, because I don't want to get this perfume and I keep it to myself, not showing you guys. Because if you go on a date and you spray this on yourself, day is gonna go well, and you're gonna come back and smell nice and cool and joy. Then again, you can come back and watch my video and get something to take away again, because I want you to win. Because when you win, that's my joy, that's my happiness. Because this perfume, it's amazing. I'm keeping smelling myself as well. Where's the box? Well, you see it. Look, it's a 90 ml. Yeah. If you can't afford the 90 ml, get the one you can get, and you're still gonna smell amazing as well. And if you can get the biggest bottle, get them as well, because you're gonna win. You're gonna win. And if you go on a date, you're gonna win, and you're gonna come back happy, cool as vibe. Any occasion you're going on dinner, date, brunch, any event, this perfume, you need to take it with yourself. If you cannot be like kind of sweat, you spray yourself, you cool, you smell nice as well. Everything just looking cool together in a different vibe as well. You see, I'm quite happy. I'm feeling kind of cool vibe. The boss getting all over my hand, because I'm feeling kind of in a coolest vibe because of this perfume as well. I'm liking the vibe as well. Honestly, if you like a place, make sure to go and get them. I want you to get this perfume, because if you get them, spray them, you go come out again. You go out. If you go out, any occasion you want to go, people will know you cool. Trust me, they will smell you. And if you win is smiling, and I'm happy myself right now, because you're gonna be happy too if you get this. Why I say cinnamon is amazing as well. So I like it. I want you to get it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my video, share my video to the loved one, family, and friend, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you lovely, amazing, cool, beautiful, handsome people another day. Take care. Take care.